Today I'm going to teach you how to make a McDonald's cheeseburger. For starters, you're only going to get 2 slices of bun, preferably not the same size. Yeah, I've been going to McDonald's for not a long time. Set the top aside for now. So first you're going to want to get a hamburger patty, and you're going to put it pretty off-center to the bun. Next you're going to put a slice of cheese pretty centered on the patty, but more centered toward the bun too. When you go inside one of those places, you can immediately tell how hard those employees are working to just make your day better. You really feel that. After that, you're just going to want to plop tomatoes, pickles, and onions on it.
What about lettuce?
What? I remember one of my first McDonald's experiences. I was about 5 or 6 years old. I walked into the bathroom and there was a man shaving. Now we're gonna move this bottom bun aside and get in the top bun. I've since known that McDonald's is it's a very special place. So, bacteria. So now you're gonna want to get some mustard and put a pile of mustard on one side of the bun. Then you're going to want to get mayo. You're going to want to put a pile of this on the other side of the bun. Then you're going to want to smash those two things together. Literally. This is what it should look like at the end. Make sure that there's still a little cheese sticking out at the end of there. Bon appetit. McDonald's will sometimes hold a special place in my heart.